Hi everybody, my name is Jen Jones, Gail Dobosz here. We're going to try this for the third try. We are going to turn around and teach you the new dance, Lifer. 32 count, very easy dance, one restart on wall 6. So here we go. First 16 counts, we're just walking forward and back. So it is right, left, back with a touch walk forward, right, left, back. And now the second section, we're going to balance to the right. So it's side, and step. Forward touch, back touch. Forward touch, back touch. The final section is side together, side touch. Side together, quarter turn touch. For those that like to turn, they're welcome to turn on that second section. So we're going to the right. Side together, side touch, side quarter turn with a touch. Now with the count. Here we go. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On this wall, 6th wall, you're going to count 16 steps, and that's when you restart the dance. So we're going to turn this off now, and then we're going to do a demo.